So see here, as we have discussed till components, right? Like all keywords we were discussed, identifiers we discussed, operators we were discussed, data types and variables and all. Okay. In the earlier classes, we used to discuss, like we were discussed about all these things, the basic things, and we also done few programs under 3 different platforms. One is C, Java, and Python. The same program, how can we write a code in C? The same program, how can we write it in Java? And the same program, how can we write it in Python? Okay. Now we will try to write the statements. Okay, so statement can be anything. So we were discussed if statements and all, right? Okay, so we started with if statements. We started with like we need to go towards to the for loops, while loops and all. Okay. Let me open that. And I think we have started with for, while, and do whiles, right? Okay, we started with simple if. We have gone to the if else. We have executed if else. No, we have started the last class. Last class, those who are present in the last class, let me know whether we have discussed, started discussing all these things. So even elif also, in elif, so if you have more than one condition, and that condition, if you want to frame it negative side, if this condition is false, then you have else. When you'll enter into the else statement, when your condition gets false. Okay, when your condition gets false, you will be entered into the else condition or else. Okay, if it is true, you are working with this something else statement, something will be there, something will be there, something that you are going on executing the things. But whereas if it is else, if it is false, so in the false side, if this condition is false, so check this condition. You'll be having another condition here. If this is true, you are going to display something. Otherwise, what happened? Again, in like if it is false, you'll be having a condition again here. So like that, you are going on framing the blue, or what we call, you are increasing your flowchart, or you are developing your flowchart, or you are framing your flowchart in the negative side of the condition. If this is false, check this. If this is false, check this. If that also false, by default things will be displayed. See, if this is false, you are checking this. If this is false, automatically you'll be having else. That else will be displayed. You are checking the first condition, number is greater than 0. Whether it's a, like if that condition is true, you are going to display that positive number. Else, you are checking whether the number is equal to 0 or not. If that is true, you are printing 0. Otherwise, you are displaying that it is a negative number. Else, Print negative again, because the number is not greater than 0 and not equal to 0. By default, what will be having? It is less than 0. The value is less than 0. Automatically, what happens? That is negative number. Okay. We have only three options. One is positive, one is 0, the other one is negative numbers. Okay. So this is what your if and else or else if. Okay. See, now I'm checking with number is equal to 0. Here I verified with number is equal to 6. Number is equal to 0. Number is equal to minus 23. Now, for example, if I want to write the same program in C. So how we'll write? So how we will write here? First, int a printed, enter a value. Scanf percentile d comma ampersand a. Okay. Now, if I want to check what? If a is greater than 0. If a is greater than 0, print it. What do you want to print? The given a value percentile d comma a value is given a whose value is percentile d is greater than 0, or else if you want is positive. If you want to display that is positive number. Else if a is equal to 0. I'll copy the same. Which is equal to 0, or else which is 0. Whose the given a whose value is 0. Else printed the given a whose value is negative. So here I must write percentile d. Percentile d is negative number. If you want to print hello world, you can. Here I'm entering the like input is 1 and then it's 0. Okay, here I forgot to give the semicolon. The people who are more doing work or more researching in Python, when we'll come back to C language, these kind of problems will come. Because there semicolon is optional. Okay, like here we'll put slash in so that you will be getting in a proper way. See, enter a value already you have given, that one will be taken. The given a whose value is 1 is positive number. Okay, if I'll give 0, when I said 1 is 0. If I said minus 1 is a negative number. You all are able to complete this? Do it fast and let me know whether you have completed or not. Complete it. Can I know the reason why you people are not responding? Satvika, Yashashwini and Joshna. Why you people are not responding, ma? Like online COVID classes, like at the time of COVID, when we used to conduct the classes to engineering students, for the name's sake, they'll join the classes. They'll simply like join the class, keeping their mobile phone somewhere else, and they used to see the movies and watching the movies and all. Regularly, the people used to do that because they are going to join for the namesake. Because if they are not going to maintain attendance, they'll be get detained. Even parents will shout. So for the namesake, they'll start the session and they'll keep their mobile phone somewhere and they'll be busy with some task. But I don't think you people are doing the same way. You are not here for the namesake. You are here to learn. And you people continuously were back of me and you asked me to arrange this PPS classes. As I told you that I'm very much busy and I'm out of the station from morning 9 to till now. I'm taking classes continuously. I'm here to give the training sessions for a like government university faculty. From morning 9:30 to till now. But I thought I should not postpone the class and I thought to take the class. Yesterday A&ML class I just postponed. So I don't want to do that because for them it is 3 classes. One class somehow if we are going to postpone something we can manage. But whereas for you, you have only 2 classes. So thinking that what I thought, okay, we'll take a class. Even you people are doing in the same way, like how the engineering students used to do in at COVID time, the same way you people are doing. You're not responding, you're not doing, you're not telling the program code. If you have any problem, because you paid the money and you are here to learn the subject. Any particular point, if you are unable to understand, you should come up. You have to raise. No worries, Answer Bali, no worries. At least though you are unknowingly joined here and you are the only one responding to the questions. As you belongs to A&ML class, unknowingly you have joined here, but you are the only one responding to all my questions. At least someone is there so that I can understand that, yes, I am teaching to someone, my voice is audible to someone. At the other end, someone is there to listen the class. He just BTech second year or third year student, Amma. And you all are PG students. And I have very good respect the people who are pursuing MCA and MSc. I have a good bonding with those students. But this is the scenario. If you are not interested, at least let me know that so that I can take rest. I can put my system somewhere and I'll start sleeping or taking rest. Daily, hardly 2 people or 3 people are joining. Out of 10 students paid the money, 3 or 4. That's it. Satvika, you are back of me. You are continuously asked me to like plan for these sessions. Let me know what is the reason behind why the strength is too less, and though the strength is a little 4 or 5, among you 4, only one student is responding. She is Likita. You're not responding, you're not joining, you're not concentrating, then why, ma? And as of now, we don't have any such course where we'll tell you in one particular concept in different languages. I did not find. Even I'm taking the industry training programs, I'm taking the regular classes to engineering students from BTech to like MTech. I'm not only a CEO of a particular company, but I'm also a professor in an engineering college. Nowhere else this particular subject is there. But still, this is what, at least A&ML class, I'm able to see at least 10 to 12 students minimum. Here are 4 students, 5 students, max. Maximum 4 to 5 students. Yes, you tell me, ma, what to do. And those 4, only 1 student is responding. Now, what to do, Amma, Satvika? As you are the team lead, you have taken initiation and you spoke with me. Now, you tell me the solution, what to do. If this is the scenario, even we couldn't be able to complete the syllabus. We are at still while loops. Many things has to go. And many, like much more practice is required for me. Because the same program, sometimes we may not convert to the other language. Sometimes we may not convert, like Python, what we are writing the program, sometimes that program we cannot be able to write it in C. So I need to take an example where you can convert that example in 3 different languages. It's not that much easy task me to do such things. I need to spend a lot of time to decide the examples. ఎందుకంటే మీరు అడిగి పెట్టించుకున్నారమ్మా ఆ ఇనిషియేషన్ ఆ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మీలో ఉండాలి మిమ్మల్ని చూసి నేను ఇంకా కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చెప్పాలి ఇంకా కొన్ని కాన్సెప్ట్స్ చెప్పాలి ఐఎమ్ హియర్ ఎట్ వెల్లూర్ ఐఎమ్ ఎట్ వెల్లూర్ I have gone to a Tiruvelluvar University, which is a government university. I am taking data science concepts to a maths, physics, electronics faculty. They don't know ABCD in terms of computers. Even they never saw good, like high-end computers, laptops. Economically poor or below, like it's not at least average. So they are below average. Those faculty, like when we started the session, throughout the day, they were very much passionate to learn the things. Though there is a language issue, they don't know this much high-end English. If I'll use high-end English, they may not able to understand. But still, they were very much conscious. By seeing their interest, even we are sitting here in the rooms and we are preparing our subject till 2 o'clock for the preparation of PPTs and to deliver this in a neat way so that they can learn all the things. So by seeing your interest, I need to give, I should give many more examples. I need to concentrate on much more concepts. So see the, like Satvika say this and like you all try to respond on time, like whatever the question, and you inform them it is mandatory that to get this, though you have paid the fee, if you are not even maintaining 80% attendance, simply you will never get a certificate now. To get the certificate, it is very much mandatory to attend all the sessions. Yeah, answer. You can leave, ma, because you are not belongs to this group. Okay, tomorrow we have a session. Yes, tomorrow for you, we have a session on A and ML. Most probably, I'll tell you the timings and all, because I don't know when I'll get the free time. As soon as I find any time, I'll arrange your sessions there. Okay? Yeah, you can leave. So make sure, Amma, and inform them the same thing. వాళ్ళు ఎంత ఫీజు కట్టాక కూడా వాళ్ళకి సర్టిఫికేట్ రాకపోతే ఇన్ని మంత్స్ లో, because they may have some expectations. And I want to send you people's resumes to various institutions or various organizations. At least they may take, like they may recruit you. వీళ్ళు బాగా చేస్తారు అని నేను ఎవరికైనా చెప్పాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ మీకు సబ్జెక్ట్ తెలిసి ఉండాలి. That is now in your hand. మిమ్మల్ని చూసి నేను వాళ్ళకి చెప్పాలి, these students are very good, or she is doing well, or he is doing well, she is having very good programming languages, you can recruit them. Okay. Yes, students, so we'll meet tomorrow, not tomorrow, again on Monday. I hope it may not possible for me to take a class on Monday, but Wednesday we'll definitely have a class on as usual timings. Monday will be somewhere possible. If possible, I'll take the class. Let me see the timings and all, like how I send a message, at least 15-20 minutes before I'll put a message in your group, your timings. So like ensure that you have to join by that time. Okay. Yes, ma, we'll see. And Satvika, take initiation, talk to your friends, and convey the same thing what I just informed you. And be attentive in the classes. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. Like I thought to complete while also, but due to this disturbance, I couldn't be able to. But we'll see on Monday most probably. Otherwise on Wednesday. Okay, ma, don't worry and talk to your friends first. And all should be interactive. Okay. Okay, students. We'll meet on the next class, in your next class. Yeah.